USD CHS week 4 of September analysis, technical analysis. So we want to see what happened last week and what we need to look forward to for the first week of October. I like this pair because usually it respects all the level and it's always give you trade at every level. So right now you can see in the weekly time frame we are on a downtrend, clearly in a downtrend. See, it's making lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then you can see price is here. Price close above that weekly resistance right here. This is more a possibility because we are on a downtrend. Okay, this is weekly time frame. Let's go daily time frame. All right, daily time frame. Let's remove these for clarity. So daily time frame, let's bring it in. We can see we also in a downtrend. The last low is here. The last high is here. What did price do? Price did something that in the daily time frame we need to look at. Price was here and it go all the way here. Price break above that resistance right here and it's come to test it. So can price, like we saw last time, do this? Yes, price might do it, come back a second time before break above. To when if price go do 1, 2, and then price does this, that's a possibility. That's price. Then price break the downtrend we're gonna have. If you go to the weekly, you see that it break above the weekly resistance to come through a 4-hour resistance to come down. Once it breaks the resistance, it tested for support. Next week, we might expect price to test this for a support, either to go up, to come down to test that resistance, that support right here, 4-hour. When we go to the 4-hour time down, we will see that, and then to come back to go higher. That's possible, okay? But in right now, because we only have a low that is low, that's the last low. We have a high that is higher than this high. So we next week, could it do the lower low? We are looking to see if price come back to do a lower low that is lower than this one, to go up, do 3. This is 1, 2, 3 move to see if the 3 is gonna be happen right here. Then we know the trend just changed from a downtrend to an uptrend. But if price doesn't go to do if price does this, okay, it come back to do a low that is lower than this low, and instead of do a higher high, well, if price come back to do a lower low, we still in what we call a downtrend. If it doesn't, okay, so you understand. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, the same thing we see, we saw in the other time frames. It's happening here too. It's an uptrend. So what did price do? Let's make this a little bit wider so we can see price been doing its thing as well right here. See, price been going up, come back for a low, either high, come back for a low, and then price break above to come down here. You see what price did? So now you see, now look at the 3 EMAs, all 4 EMAs, 21 moving average, exponential EMA 50, 100, and 200. So price come to that 4-hour. There's a 4-hour here, support and resistance. Right now it's respected as a resistance. You can see it give you confirmation right here. So you could have sell the market right here to take your profit somewhere over here. But when you get here, look at that. This is confirmation right here that price will not go down lower. price will turn to go up. Okay, so price being respected as price is going up. Look at price on top of the 21-day moving average. And then when you get here, it tests that EMA. When it gives you that big bullish engulfing, you see, look at that bullish engulfing right here. That's a big chance to join the market. Even if you buy right here, you could go to the market all the way to the top. Okay, or you could have take profit over here. All right, or you could wait. If you're patient, you could have wait all the way down here. So you see this, and if you were really want to do this, you could have taken a trade over here too. This is the 4-hour time frame. So market just open as we are talking 5 o'clock. Market just open. You can see price is is price went down last week, and you can see price is in its way up. And if price doesn't break for a higher to do this, that's what my expected. If it get here, but if it doesn't do it, so price might come back here again for a double bottom before go up. Okay, this is an uptrend, guys. Remember, price is an uptrend in USD Let's do 1-hour time frame to see if we see more entrance. This is right here. You see, price fight here, what do we confirmation here to take it down here, right here, triple candlestick confirmation in a 1-hour time frame. Price right now is on top of that EMA 50. See, you can see it's over it right here. So price, we are expecting price to calmate somewhere over here, and then to before go down to do this, like we said, or to come here and then do breakdown below like this before either going down lower. This is also a possibility. So this is what we are looking at to see in the USDCHS for this month of October going into December. And we want to see. Let's look at this week what price does, and then so we can see next week what we can see again in the market. So hopefully you can use that, plug your system into it, so you can see what the market is doing better. So remember, this is not for you to take those and trade them like we're talking. Plug it into your system, and that's not. This is analysis. This is not giving you trade. Now it's up to you and your system and your team to look at that and to see do you see the same thing I'm seeing. Let's share it. Let's subscribe to the channel. Visit www.eta25pips.com for those of you that want to learn more about trading.